In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to compare Jobber and Copilot, two essential tools designed for enhancing business operations but tailored for quite distinct industries. Whether you're running a field service business or a consultancy, understanding these two platforms can revolutionize the way you handle daily tasks and foster client relationships. Let's dive into Jobber first. Jobber shines brightly in its niche, field service businesses such as HVAC, plumbing, landscaping, and cleaning. Its primary strength lies in scheduling and dispatching jobs efficiently. If your business revolves around coordinating field teams, Jobber offers robust tools that streamline these processes seamlessly. The scheduling feature is strong and tailored to ensure your team is always in the right place at the right time, minimizing any potential disruptions. Furthermore, Jobber has a proficient quote and invoicing system, which means you can easily send out accurate quotes to your clients and invoice them without hassle. However, when it comes to the client portal, Jobber provides more of a basic experience. It gets the job done, but lacks the advanced functionalities some businesses may desire. Speaking of mobile fieldwork capabilities, Jobber delivers impressively. Your team in the field will have the tools they need right at their fingertips, ensuring continuity and efficiency, even when on the move. Automation tools in Jobber range from good to satisfactory, offering ways to reduce manual entry and repetitive tasks, saving you time and energy. Let's shift gears to Copilot. Designed with agencies, consultants, freelancers, and professional services in mind, Copilot offers a different set of strengths, focusing primarily on client relationships and service delivery. The industries it tends to support include marketing, consulting, accounting, and startups. One of Copilot's standout features is its advanced white-label client portal. This tool can make your clients feel heard and taken care of, with seamless and professional client communications. Furthermore, although the scheduling and routing features are relatively limited here, what Copilot lacks in scheduling, it makes up for with strong workflow automation capabilities. If your business thrives on automated tasks and workflows, you are likely to find Copilot particularly advantageous. The CRM features offered by Copilot are excellent, providing robust client collaboration tools that can enhance your service delivery and client management. However, the initial setup might be more complex than what you would experience with Jobber, but worthwhile for the advanced functionalities you get in return. In conclusion, if your business involves managing field technicians and getting jobs done in various locations, Jobber is your go-to platform. On the other hand, if your focus is on managing client relationships and delivering exceptional service, Copilot should be your top choice. Both offer unique features that cater to different needs. Deciding between them comes down to assessing which strengths align most closely with your specific business requirements.